Hey everybody, Roadside Guy here at the Florida State Fairgrounds. Shoot a video on this truck real quick. Kind of has an odd combination for paint, gray and green. I think it looks awesome, so we're gonna go ahead and film it. This is a 57 Chevy pickup. There's the bed. Alright everybody, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a quick little short little video, but something's better than nothing. So there you have it. Hope you guys like. Definitely subscribe and drop us a comment. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.